is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce high overhead. C is for cat, purring so sweet. Come on, let's learn, feel the ABC beat. ABC adventures, come along and see. Learning is fun with you and me. From A to Z, we'll explore and play. ABC adventures every day. D is for dog, wagging its tail. E is for elephant, big and not frail. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Join in the fun, sing the ABC. ABC adventures, come along and see. Learning is fun with you and me. From A to Z, we'll explore and play. ABC adventures every day. G for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, worn across the land. I is for ice cream, cool and sweet. J is for jump, get upon your feet. ABC adventures, come along and see. Learning is fun with you and me. From A to Z, we'll explore and play. ABC adventures every day. K, L, M, N, O, and P, Q, R, S, T, so much to see. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, ABC adventures, learning is key.